Your friendly neighborhood YouTuber is rated PG-13. Parental advisory, explicit content, viewer discretion is advised. Hey, what's up everyone? It's your friendly neighborhood YouTuber, ladies and gentlemen, and here we are, guys, back with another toy review! Okay, so today we're going to do something a little different, man. I have a remote control car. Not only a remote control car, but a Mario Kart! Look at him! A Mario Kart! With a T. And doesn't he look amazing? I just realized that cart is actually car with just added with a T on it. The pronunciation is actually with a C. Cart. Car T, and it puts a T on it, so it's a cart. Mario Kart. I just learned that today. I'm stupid. Okay, guys, so let's read up on this before we take it out the package and test drive this baby. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to test drive it. I'm going to see how my cat reacts to it. If this car maneuvers great, I'm going to chase my cat all around the living room with this Mario Kart. Mini anti-gravity RC racer. 2.4 gigahertz. Full function steering. I said fuel function. I don't think this car takes fuel. There's the side of Mario Kart, and then the two modes. Oh, I didn't even notice. That's the anti-gravity, huh? Okay, so speaking of Back to the Future, flex capacitor. It can anti-gravity? Wait, you telling me this thing can levitate? Anti-gravity. Okay, there must be something else behind it. There must be wheels underneath it or something. We'll take a look at that in a moment. 360 spins, wheelies, wheeling, drafts. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, guys, let's quit wasting time, man. I'm anxious to get this guy out the box, so let's get it out the box. Let's see what kind of batteries this takes. It doesn't say it takes any batteries. Hopefully this is cordless. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get it out the box. Okay, so before we get them completely out the box, I wanted to show you the background right here, or the display piece. So for those who want to display this Mario Kart, which I'm probably going to do after I get finished using him, he's going to be a good display piece too as well. So that's pretty awesome that they gave us this piece. I don't know if I want to display him with this cardboard piece, but nonetheless, I figure I'd show you guys this racetrack. And actually, I think this might be Moo Moo Farms, and yeah, this might be Moo Moo Farms. Kind of looks like it. All right, let's get them out the box. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got the car out. We got Mario out of the package. We just needed 2 AA batteries, so we got the remote control on. Let's go ahead, put the car down. Let's see what this car can do, shall we? Let's give it a shot. It's a hard time rolling on the floor. Oh, there we go. Takes a little getting used to here. Okay, let's see how far he can go on his own. Shit, he's stuck. Okay, guys, not bad. Okay, so he does have another feature. He does have the hovering effect, which is that. So with the hovering effect, he can actually, his wheels can like drift side to side. So let's show you guys. And if you want to change it, there you go. That's pretty cool, man. That's a pretty cool feature. I like the drifting mode. At first, I had to get a hold of how to actually steer this freaking car. But yeah, he seems to work better on smoother surfaces. The carpet, I wouldn't recommend carpet if you guys have hardwood floors. Or even the outside, I think he'll probably work better on the outside. Maybe on smooth, like blacktop surfaces. But he actually moves pretty nice, man. He moves pretty nice. I mean, not bad for a $20 toy. Listen, if you guys are fans of remote control cars, and if you're a fan of Mario, I definitely recommend this piece, man. It is a really, really cool piece. And it's not that hard to get a hold of it. There's the enemy. There's the enemy. Attack! Let's see if he can come this way. There's my cat. Look, I'm out of here, dude. Oh, almost knocked over my camera. Okay, guys, let's go back to the review station. I'll give you guys a closer look, and I'll let you know what I think of this guy. Okay, guys, so honest opinion, I really like this toy, man. I really like this remote control car. Very, very dope. The wheels move nicely. It's actually, once you get the hang of steering it, it actually steers really, really nicely, man. It's not bad for a $20 remote control car, especially it's Mario too, man. So, and plus the hoverboard is really, really done nicely. You can get them to drift like side to side, which is really, really awesome. The Mario is done really, really nicely. Mario's hat is plastic. He can steer. He's not removable. He's in there. The car is pretty heavy. And it's a nice, you know, it's not only a nice kid's toy, but it is a nice toy overall. I really, really like this Mario, man. They did a nice job designing this Mario Kart. It looks very much like the Mario Kart from Mario Kart. And it's a really, really nice piece, man. The back piece is really nice. The wheels are done really nice. It moves really, really nicely. I have nothing really bad to say about it. And as far as the speed, listen, this actually moves at a pretty decent speed, especially if you're in the house. And you're in the house and it moves at a pretty decent speed. You know you're not going to be crashing into things. You know you're not going to be damaging things. So, and you know it's not going to hit hard when it crashes into things because it's not going that fast. But it goes at a decent speed, you know, and it's definitely It's definitely entertaining, man. And if you don't want to use this Mario Kart, guess what? You can put him on your shelf and he's a nice display piece, man. And that's probably what I'm going to do when I'm not playing with this guy. You know, when I feel like playing with Mario, breaking out my Mario Kart, I'll break him out and then play with him. I think he's really dope, man. For a $20 remote control car, that being of Mario, I definitely recommend this piece, man. They did a nice job with Mario, and it's from Jakks Pacific Toys, so they pretty much do all the Mario figures, if you guys collect Mario figures like I do. Very nicely done piece, man. Very detailed. Wheels are done very nicely. Mario logo. There's really no blemishes on this guy. I'm pretty sure when you get done, I'm pretty sure you're going to have some dents in the front. The wheels are done nicely. The colors are really, really nice on this piece, man. So I definitely recommend this Mario Kart. And like I said, if you guys are not going to use it for a remote control car, you can always put it on display and have a Mario in a Mario Kart. One of my favorite video games of all time. It's one of the most addicting video games of all time. And I highly, highly recommend this piece, guys. So on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, I'm going to give this guy, I'm going to give him a solid 10. I can't find nothing wrong with this guy, man. He takes 2 AA batteries for the remote control, and he maneuvers nicely. He moves at a nice speed, and he's well designed. He's very nice, and Jakks Pacific, they did an amazing job with this toy. So there you guys have it. That was my little review of Mario Kart. Tell me what you guys think of this cart, of this vehicle, of this Mario. All right, guys. I just want to leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you like this little review, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. You know all that good stuff. Just want to catch you guys later, and well, I'll catch you guys in the next review. Peace out.